Hello guys, this is my first video on YouTube, and today I am going to show you that how to download the GTA San Andreas Hijack mode in the GTA San Andreas game. First of all, to do this mode, go to Google and then just search for Hijack mode GTA San Andreas Android, and then just open the first site of GTAinside.com. Guys, I have already downloaded it, and guys, it will work without root. Then just press on download button, and again a page will come, and here press the start download button. I will not press because I have already downloaded it, guys. See, hijackmode.zip, and then just go to your Z archiver. Guys, for this you need the GTA San Andreas game from first, and then just go to the download folder, and here is our zip. Just tap view and tap on the folder, and then just don't touch any of this file, only touch the first file and copy it to device memory, Android data. And here will be a folder of com.rockstargames.gta San Andreas. Here it is. Here is it. Then just press the green button on the below side. Don't worry guys, it will work without root. Then just cut the tab of ZArchiver Pro and then open our game. See guys, I will show you how to do it. I will show you the clip. See guys, I will hijack a car. See guys, this is a working mode, and this is the the mode that I like most. Thank you guys for today, this much only. Please like my channel and subscribe also, and share also with your friends.